Ewo my people dem tori don full basket at the moment as Two-Face Baba and Ania Idibia divorce their marriage. Hey. According to wetin Two-Face come post na dis particular post wey you dey see so now na wetin Two-Face post for his Instagram account o. He don say hello to my beautiful people of all federations. Well, dis thing I have to say is short but also long. I and Ania Macaulay have been separated for a while now and currently filed divorce. I will grant a press release soon to say my story, not because it is anyone's right to know about my personal life, but because I love my people and I need them to know my innocence or offense. Stay blessed, my people. I love you all. Omo na dis one be the gbenga news wey dey on board for the social media. In fact, internet don carry fire for where Two Baba and Ania e dey now. No be dat alone o, we still dey argue say dis one na true abi no be true. Na so we come hear boom, come post. We no know how dey take post am o, with a verified official Two Baba account. Dey talk say my Instagram account has been hacked. Efforts are being carried out to take back control. As one love. Na so Two Baba no gree dis time o. Two Baba come make video. Dis one na video. No be even say dey post am, no be even say na writing. Two Baba talk say no one hack my account. Dis man insist say no, but person no hack im account, say na him talk wetin he talk. Say wetin he talk na true and na him post dat first one wey he post, wey he talk say him and Ania Idibia don divorce. He no even put Idibia there, he say Ania Macaulay. Okay, my correct people dem, we still dey talk about dis particular people wey be say na Tiwa Savage and her ex-husband wey be say wan dey regret why she file the divorce o with her ex-husband. Na. We don hear another tori for where another Nigerian celebrity dey. See wetin I dey talk? Nigerian celebrities dey use divorce say dey use am dey chop, dey use am dey bait. You get it? You get the point now? Anyway, my correct people dem, well, lawyers go chop na, abi you no wan make lawyers dey chop? If dem no divorce, why lawyers no go, how lawyer go take chop? If case no dey, lawyers no go dey work na. Anyway, na their prayers sha. Anyway, my correct people dem, wetin una gat to concern dis matter? As internet don carry fire. We know say last week Ania Idibia enter for Famous House show. My correct people dem, she even talk say last year she had a miscarriage of twins say last year o, she no get person wey she go talk am. And now, maybe na so Two-Face come show wan tell us say him and Ania Macaulay no dey together again. So now the question wey I no understand be say, is it because she talk say she get wetin dem dey call am, she lost her pregnancy last year and say na twin boys say she lose. Now e be like say no be Two-Face Baba na him pregnant am wey be say she lose dat pregnancy o, or I no understand. Abi she wan use dat opportunity tell people say she no dey because if you see wetin the way Ania was acting on dat particular Famous show, you understand. Many Nigerians talk say make dem remove Ania for dat particular show, say she no dey alright, say e get wetin she dey pass through. E come be like say many Nigerians no, in fact, e come be like say dis woman don open mouth tell some Nigerians. Dey talk say no, dis woman is passing through depression. She look depressed. Say wetin dey happen, say make dem comot Ania Idibia from dat particular show. My correct people dem, boom, e never even reach 1 week wey we dey talk about dat particular statement o, wey be say Ania Idibia and Nniedo get quarrel for Famous House o. My correct people dem, including one Hassan wey be say she's also an actress, people say na Muslim actress. My correct people dem, she even sama am talk say insult am for her husband, talk say your husband, you dey young, you dey pretty, you come abandon your work wey be say you are an actress, you no get anything, you dey envy others wey get house, wey get property, wey get different things, say you dey marry. Marriage wey you dey marry no be even say you get better pikin for dat man, no be even say the man even value you. The man go still leave you waka dey go sleep with 10 years old children. My correct people dem, dis kind insult no be small thing o, wey make internet gbakasa last week o. Na the tori wey don full basket now be say Two Baba announce via his official Twitter Instagram handle talk say him and Ania no dey together again. And as people, maybe people wey be say wey dey close come go create official Two Baba account, come put am dat wey be say dem dey talk say na verified account. My correct people dem post say my Instagram account has been hacked. Efforts are being carried out to take back control. My correct people dem, na so dis guy come make video una see wetin dey happen. But wetin dey happen actually? According to dis two baba, he say he must honour an interview. No be say he owe anybody explanation, but he wan make pipu know say he dey innocent. um two baba and Annie, dis kain love. You see wetin I dey talk, you see dis life no go kpai yourself because say you dey marry, no go kpai yourself because of a woman, no go kpai yourself because of a man. If you no dey work, jejeje ojafi kegi find your way dey go house. You see dis pipu dey get money to tell you say when pipu think say na money be the main problem for marriage, no be even money. The way you dey treat your spouse, e matters a lot. You fit get, you fit no get, but how are you to dat person? Two-Face Idibia e get money, Annie Idibia she also get money. So wetin be the koko? Is it pikin? God bless two baba with many children and bless him and Daniel with baby girl. Baby girl wey don even reach the age to marry oo. Why I bin dey see her interviews the other time abi last year with some pipu. Una get the point now. Now the question be say wetin dey smell for dis kain couple matter? We know how dis pipu take love themselves. We know how dey take last last come marry. Even so two baba family dey against Annie Idibia. Last last he still marry Annie. Now wetin come happen? My correct pipu dem, dey say wahala e be like bicycle. Anwụọ m ihe n'otelende mmụọ. Wetin we go call dis one? Chai! I feel for her. No wonder she was so depressed last week. No wonder she was reacting so angrily. No wonder she was attacking Eniedu. And Eniedu was telling him, Annie, you will not do such a thing, this and that. I know who you are. You cannot do this. You cannot do that. And she was asked to apologize, to make peace with her colleagues so that she'll be accepted. Gosh, oh my God. No wonder she was reacting in that manner. To the extent that she started crying when she was narrating her oldies with that man on that particular show. She was saying she even had a miscarriage last year, twins, but she had no one to talk to. When this statement say, I have no one, no one to console me, which actually means that yeah, they have divorced for a very long time. They have separated for a very long time. She had no one when she had that particular miscarriage to tell what she's passing through and no one to console her. You get the point now? Anyway, my correct people, them, Anya is a very beautiful lady. We know that age is no longer by her side, but she's beautiful. You get it? When she already accepted this Two-Face Baba, they already have kid together, a baby girl. We know, if you know their history very well, they have been dating for years. Even though say that they date, na so too bad take dey cheat, dey born pikin from different woman. You see this life you see this life if you know say you wan marry woman wey be say im get pikin, make sure say you go accept anything wey come from that pikin. If you know say you wan marry a man wey get pikin, make sure say you go accept anything wey get for that pikin. If you know say you dey in a relationship, the man dey cheat, you know say you dey cheat, you come keep quiet, last time you come still marry am, the man dey cheat on you, still born different pikin join am, still come you come allow make the man marry you. And you think say the man go love you wholeheartedly? You get pikin, you no get pikin, dat one no concern the man. Wetin concern the man na the children wey e don get. You get it? The man just marry you to fulfill all righteousness. Just carry you dey quench his congee any night wey be say the thing dey worry am. Yes oo, if you think say the man wey dey cheat on you with wey get children with many women no be even say he was under the influence of alcohol, willingly. You get the point? And those children, you still carry those children put them under same roof make dey take care of them. My correct people dem, run for your life. Yes, na Annie Idibia carry herself put for dis kain trouble, no be person put am for her. Even when she dey marry dis Two-Face Idibia, pipu dey shout. Why? They even go Dubai go do their wedding oo. No be even say they do wedding for Nigeria, na Dubai they go do the wedding. You get the point? I want you guys to learn something from all dis whole story. Number one is that money does not keep a home. Do you get it? The way you treat your spouse matters a lot. In any slightly thing, the way you treat your spouse is what matters. Don't think that you have money or you don't have money is what keeps marriage. It doesn't keep that. But who truly you are, how faithful you are to your spouse, how trustworthy you are to your spouse. Are you the type that says A and do B? Are you the type that you are not straightforward? What exactly are you doing that hurt your spouse? We all are human beings. So as human being that you are, you got to treat your spouse the way you want to be treated. That is fact about life. We don't know what they went through. We don't know what they are passing through. We don't know the argument or the dispute they might have encountered as a result of being married as husband and wife. And now, Two Faces now coming on air, coming on the social media spaces, announcing that him and Anya Dibia are no longer together because we are, calling Two Face last week to come and defend his wife. Unfortunately, we are not aware that this man and this lady are no longer together. And people were abusing, bashing her on that particular famous as a result of Two-Face Idibia excessive cheating. I don't know if you guys actually watched that video. If you have not, it's still on my channel. You can scroll down, you can watch the video of where actress Hazan was busy giving it to this lady, Anya Idibia. If you don't see there, say that it was cut off as a result of copyright issue by the owner, by a famous house on YouTube. You get the point now. My correct people, them gbas gbos full o. Na still many Nigerians dey curse Blessing CEO. Talk say she divorce her husband, carry two children, and according to her, she talk say na she use her hand divorce her husband. No be even say her husband no love her. But because of the love no dey there again, at this point, she found out that she doesn't love that man again. Instead of her to be torturing the man or, as a result of trying to leave, forcing yourself out of the marriage, maybe having dispute or fighting at the end of the day, you buy each other. None of them would have been alive today. But both of them are alive. I think they have children. And Blessing CEO is now falling in love after many years of getting divorced. You get the point now. Anya Idibia can still find the love out there tomorrow. Do you get it now? That is fact about life. My correct people, they want to know talk concerning this matter. Wetin I wan make una bear for mind be say, no go kpai yourself because say you dey inside relationship. No go kpai yourself because of a man. No go kpai yourself because of a woman. No go kpai yourself because say you wan have children. Children comes from God. And in the due time, God gonna give it to you. So this life, take it suffering. There is nothing in the world. Person wey don kpai who know wetin dey happen again. If you continue do gragra for marriage, you kpai. The man wey you dey do gragra for go still go marry another woman put for house. You as a man, you continue do gragra for marriage. The woman wey kpai you go still go marry another woman, go still go marry another man, born pikin. Na so life be. So the earlier, the better. Treat yourself equally. Treat yourself. Treat your spouse that same way you want to be treated. That is just the fact. If you know what you are doing, contrary beyond what is not expected of you to be doing as a married couple, you got to quit it for the sake of your marriage. If you are the type that prefer outsiders to your spouse, to your home, your name is sorry. Because one day you're going to lose it. That is just fact about it. Now look at Two-Face Idibia. Anyway, my correct people, them will still be waiting. We'll be waiting to hear the full details. According to him, he said that he'll be coming on air. He will grant an interview to say his own side of the story for Nigerians, for his loved ones, for his fans, to be the judge of the whole situation. We'll still be waiting for Anya Idibia to come online to talk about whatever she might be passing through. My correct people, them story don't full basket. The one I dey cry, say she divorced her husband. People wey dey talk say they be sweet couple don dey divorce already. Kai, wahala dey say e be like bicycle. Make your wise choice o. Life na once, no be twice. Anyway, to all my correct people dem, make una don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Turn all the notification button so you go notified of all latest gbega news. Christy TV got you covered. I know say this Two-Face Idibia na your favorite celebrity. Kai, omo, e pay me o. Dey pay me for body. Anyway sha, na person wey wear shoe know where e dey pinch am. As I no put that shoe for my leg, I no know as e dey pinch. So na dem wey wear am, they go still come outside come talk the tori wey dey matter, wey dey on board. My prayer be say after all this gragra, say make dem come back together because they don separate before, still come back, last they come marry. Because this kind divorce, e get as e be o. E dey do wuruwuru for ear. My correct people dem, remember una feel free to drop your comment in the comment section.